Hey, I wonder what that is. I think the mail's here. Look, I have a package. I wonder what's in it. Let me see what's in it. It's not very big, it's small. Let's see. Hey, look at that. It's my glove compartment door lock. So now I can go out to my truck and put my glove compartment door lock back on. You want to go with me and see how I do that? That's my 1968 Chevy C20 glove box. The lock got stuck on the other day and I had to break it to get it out. So I had to order another one from LMC Truck Parts. Let's go out and install it. Come on, let's go. Alright, so when you're ordering parts for your truck like this, make sure that you don't throw any of the old parts away because you might need something. Like this one, it comes with the screw. I need to put my stuff down here for a minute. Open it up. So this is the only thing I got with my order. The only thing I got. Works pretty good. It's a little sticky too. Even the new one's a little sticky. And that's why I didn't order a used one, because I wanted it to be smooth and unlock good. But anyway. But to put this in, you got to have the other piece that goes over it and the screw that goes in it to hold it into place. And I'm going to show you that in just a second. But, you know, I didn't order that part. I thought it came with the lock. I mean, how are you going to mount the lock without that? It did come with a little screw. There's a little screw in the package. So it comes with a little screw that you're screwing here. Like that. But it didn't come with the sleeve that holds it in place, so blah blah. So, just so happens I saved my old one. I don't know if you can see that. And so you take the screw out. You put this in the glove box. You slide this over it. And you put the screw in it. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, now to get it in, you got to push the button in to make the lock go in. Then you put it up through the hole. Then you put the little topper on it. And then you put the screw in. Just like that. And then, now your glove box will stay shut. Ha ha! Success! Alright, well that's it for this episode of WorldTVOnDemand.com with Harold Jackson. I hope you subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. And watch the next video. You never know what I'm going to be up to next. So hey, you guys have a great day, and I'll have another video for you soon. This is Harold signing off, baby. You guys have a great day.